Good morning students. Today we will solve exercise 9.2 question number 17 and 18. It is question number 17, page number 186. Students, see the question. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment of ₹100. If he increases the installment by ₹5 every month, what amount will he pay in the 30th installment? So in question it is asking the amount that will be paid in 30th installment. It means he is asking A30. A30 is A plus 30 minus 1 into D. There is a formula of AN. It is A plus N minus 1 into D. Or it is A is 100 plus 29 into D equal to 5. Here A equal to 100 and D equal to 5. So it is 100 plus 145, or it is 245. The amount that will be paid in the 30th installment is 245. Now next is question number 18. The difference between any two consecutive interior angle of a polygon is 5 degrees. If the smallest angle is 120 degrees, find the number of sides of the polygon. So students, see, here given things are D equal to 5 degree. The smallest angle means A, first angle is 120 degree. You have to find the number of sides in the polygon. Student, there is a formula for the sum of polygon Sn equal to 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. There is a formula for the sum of all interior angles of the polygon. Then the Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n equal to n, we have to find 2 into 120 degree plus n minus 1 into d. D is 5 degree and Sn is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. There is 2n minus 4 into 90 degree is equal to n by 2. Student, here 5 is common. So it is 24. 2 into 24 degree plus n minus 1. Then it is 5 is cut, 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40. Then it is 2n minus 4 into 18 into 2 cross multiply by 2 equal to n it is 47 plus n. Then open the bracket. Here 2n minus 1, 2n minus 4 into 18 to the 36 is 47n plus n square, or it is 72n minus 144 equal to 47n plus n square. Shift all the term one side, so it is n square minus 25n. 72 minus 47 is 25 plus 144 equal to 0. Now factor, it is 16n minus 9n plus 144 equal to 0. N common, n minus 16 minus 9 common, n minus 16 equal to 0. Then n minus 16 and n minus 9 equal to 0. So value of n will be 9. N cannot be 16 because smallest value of n is 9. So required answer is 9. Number of sides in the polygon, and they will be 9. Now student, now new topic is GP, geometrical progression. In a GP there is a common ratio, first term and the common ratio, there is not the common difference. Like in AP, we are taking like a comma a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. Here terms are a common difference, we are adding or subtracting. Same in GP, there is a common ratio that will be multiplied with the term. Let first term is a, then second term will be ar, third term ar square, fourth term ar cube and so on. As in AP, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Same as in GP, it is a r power n minus 1. Since it is the fourth term, it is the third term, so there is a r square, it is r cube, there is r power 1. So same is nth term power is n minus 1. So nth term of the GP, nth term of GP is a formula a r power n minus 1, where r is called common ratio. R is called common ratio. It is same as AP, but difference is here we are multiplying the term or divide the term. In AP we are adding the term or subtracting the common difference. So this is the nth term of GP, and to find the value of R, formula second term upon first term, or also we can write A2 upon A1. It is A3 upon A2. It is the ratio of the second term to the first term, or any preceding term to the succeeding term. So there is a, or we can write an upon an minus 1. This way we can find the common ratio. Now question number 1, exercise 9.3. Find the 20th and nth term of the GP. Here GP is 5 upon 2, 5 upon 4, 5 upon 8 and so on. So first term is A equal to 5 upon 2. Common ratio R equal to 1 upon 2 because all the terms are multiplied by 1 by 2. Now A 20th equal to A R power 20 minus 1, or it is A R power 19. A equal to 5 by 2, R equal to 1 upon 2 power 19, or we can write 5 upon 2 power 20, and no need to simplify more. Same as nth term, it is A power n minus 1. A is 5 upon 2, R is 1 upon 2 power n minus 1. So it will be 5 upon 2 power n. It is the nth term.